Guys, I have to share this with you. I have to, like, I must protect you, because this is a mother protection feeling towards you, towards my clients and viewers. Just in case my clients sent me something and I was like, holy schmackamole, what the heck? This is like, everybody should know. I'm gonna put right here on the screen. Dear Ginamber, I asked my friend to bring me your Dermaroller from USA, and I was so happy and improved my skin so much for 3 months. My forehead wrinkles started to disappear. Love it. I love to hear this. I decided that it's time to go for bigger size Dermaroller, but I ordered one from Amazon similar to Ginamber Dermaroller. I hear this all the time. Similar but not the same. I was happy to find the Real Needles Dermaroller in England till today when I used it for the first time and I was shocked. I'll send you pictures. I don't know what is this and how to deal with it. P.S. The problem is not of the serum which I use after, because it's the same which you use all the time with using my Dermarollers, which is used after your brand Dermaroller. And here are the pictures. What happened when she used another Real Individual Needle Dermaroller. Remember, I am the owner and founder of the Real Individual Needle Dermarollers. I own the trademark. Nobody else in the world owns that trademark. That's mean my Dermarollers, that one is original. Now there's a bunch of brands on Amazon that's copying me, they're trying to do the same, but it is not the same, girl. It is not the same. Just warning you guys, please know about that. Sometimes wanting to save 15-20 bucks can cause harm to your skin. Be aware of this. I am like a mother. I want to protect your face. If you want to buy cheap rings, hair stuff, clothes, dishes, dog beds, it's fine. Amazon is amazing. I buy a lot from Amazon. You cannot buy health and skincare stuff. Health, vitamins, probiotics, skincare products, please don't buy on Amazon. Unless you really know that you're buying from original seller. Here, I went downstairs right now to my office. Here's the proof. This is document that I own. It's my name, Gintare de Mello, Real Individual Needles, trademark publication, reference number 1500647, application day 2018, August 2nd, application number 88062528. This is public. You can Google who owns Real Individual Needle trademark. It's me. I just want you to guys know that even if you see very similar, almost the same looking Dermarollers somewhere else, it is not original Dermaroller. They just copy. A lot of brands suffer because other brands stealing their idea, trying. Just be aware, it's your skin. It's not a cell phone, it's not a mirror, it's not a hair stuff, it's not a book, it's a face tool with the needles in it. Be careful. I love you, just be careful. Just warning you.